Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today, coming to you with a very simple but very effective video. But before we get into the video, I would like to say thank you to all of you. I've reached over 100 subscribers and I'm still climbing. So I'd like to say a big thank you to you all. And please remember, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to come and log on to FadaGugs Channel. Thank you again. Today now, I'll be making an immune system smoothie. And the reason why I'm making this smoothie is because this time of the year, a lot of us catch a lot of cold, catch a lot of flu and other stuff. Because our immune system might be a bit weak and it might need that extra push in order to fight off all of them cold and flu and other stuff that we keep catching. By the way, what is the immune system? The immune system is not just one thing. The immune system is not just one organ. The immune system are special organs, cells, and chemicals that are inside our body. They all come together to form the immune system. And the purpose of the immune system is to fight off all of them infection, the bacteria and everything that's are lurking around in our bodies. If you like what you're getting so far, click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And also click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. Now let's talk a little bit about all of the ingredients and the benefit that they have to offer. The pineapple is loaded with nutrients like iron, magnesium, copper, fiber, and many more. It also contains a disease-fighting antioxidant. The pineapple may boost immunity and suppress inflammation, and it may ease the symptom of arthritis. The ginger is loaded with antioxidant compounds that prevent stress and damage to the body's DNA. Ginger, it may also help the body to fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease of the lungs. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it may improve and help with depression. Kiwi is high in vitamin C. Kiwi, it also support immune system function, reduce DNA damage, fight inflammation, and also help with weight loss. Pumpkin seed. The pumpkin seed is high in antioxidant, high in fiber, and very high in magnesium. The pumpkin seed also improve prostate and bladder health. So that's just a basic information about all the ingredients that I've got here. Look in the description below and you'll have a more detailed one. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to chop up all our ingredients then and put them inside the blender. Remember, always wash your stuff to wash off all of the dirt, all of the unwanted things off them which you don't want in your juice. So I've got half a cup of pineapple, and I've got quarter cup of pumpkin seed already been washed. Just throw them in. I've got just a nice piece of turmeric, which we're just gonna chop it up and then drop it in our blender. Remember, the turmeric, it's stained, so you need to take care when you're using turmeric. Yeah, just chop it up like that. Just chop it in our blender. I'm using a nice piece of ginger. Use about half of this ginger, and it's the same process. You just cut it up fine as possible, just to make it a bit easier for the blender. Yeah, that's nice. Just drop it in the blender. Then with the kiwi now, you can peel the kiwi, or you can use a spoon and just take it out. Whichever way is fine. Just cut it in half. Just drop it in. Now we're gonna add our almond milk. About 1.5 to 2 cups of almond milk. There we have it. Let's get this out of the way. Put the lid on. Let's bring it. Give it a nice shake. There we have it, all ready to go. Yes, people, so this is the final product, you know. Blend up nicely. Let's just get a nice glass. Just throw it out of the glass. See what it look like. So this is it. Look at that color, man, nice and rich. Yeah. There we have it. The nice straw inside it. See what we can do with that. So there you have it, people. Immune system drink. If you like the video, please make sure you click that subscribe button. If you haven't already done so, turn on the notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs posts a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family, just share it. Thank you. FadaGugs is out.